An intelligent electric combi boiler. Power could choose from 8 kilowatts to 25 kilowatts. Suitable for the radiator and floor heating system. 2-level anti-freezing function. 8 Celsius degree and 15 Celsius degree. Water temperature from 30 Celsius degree to 80 Celsius degree. Cased aluminum heater brings instant hot water. Water and electric separation heating system. 15 years warranty. Intelligent constant temperature system. Remote control by Wi-Fi thermostat. A monthly output reaches 10,000 units. 15 days fast OEM or ODM delivery. Your most reliable household appliance supplier.